Hey everyone, welcome to a special edition video. Guys, we have 4 new ways for you guys to meet us, and it's really exciting, and we have a lot of exciting stuff happening. And so let's just get straight into the video. Will, first, what the heck's going on this weekend?
Yeah, this coming weekend on Saturday, which is February 5th, we are opening a new store with RV1.
Yes.
It's in the Jacksonville area. You got the address?
I do. It is the grand opening, guys.
We're super excited.
Address 8281 Merrill Road. That's M-E-R-R-I-L-L Road, Jacksonville, Florida 32277. Will, what are we going to be doing there on Saturday?
Yeah, we got a lot going on. Again, obviously you guys know we're going to have great pricing. It's Matt's RV Reviews and a grand opening.
Yes.
So pricing can't get much better. We're going to have a food truck there. We're going to have free, yes. We're gonna have just all kinds of games and giveaways and fun stuff going on, and of course a meet and greet with us.
Yes, you guys will be able to hang out with us. There's not gonna be too many people there,
right?
So it doesn't matter. And here's what we're doing, guys. It's an open house grand opening.
Yes.
Every unit's gonna be open and unlocked.
Yep.
They're only gonna have about 100 there.
Yep.
Because it is a new store, but you don't need a salesman.
Right.
Come on down, walk around. If you do need a salesman, there will be salespeople there for you. But we're gonna be there hanging out all day, answering your questions, hanging out. There's gonna be a food truck there. Don't know which food truck, but it's gonna be absolutely free, paid for by RV1. And what's even cooler is the first 100 people will get a $25 Bass Pro gift shop. Will, like Pinocchio, no strings attached.
That's right.
It's just the first 100 people there. They open up at 9 o'clock. The food truck will be there at 11 o'clock. We hope to see you guys there. It's gonna be me, Will, Jen, and I believe Andrea is gonna be joining us as well.
Nice.
Burr, 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 burr. How cool is that?
Yeah, guys, we're super excited for that. Again, if you're coming to look, they're gonna have some new units there as well. You know, they gotta even have a couple Class C's, which are hard to get.
Yep.
But of course, we'll help all of you get great pricing to it if you're ready for that.
Yes, and we have 2 Matt's RV Reviews rallies that we're about to tell you guys about. But first, also, you guys love the virtual RV show that we did in Tampa. We're gonna be doing a virtual RV show at the Jacksonville store as well.
Yes.
That's gonna be live on that Saturday. So it's gonna be a lot of fun, guys. So if you're looking to buy and you didn't buy at Tampa, you know, make sure you have your phone ready, especially if you're looking at Jayco product.
Yes.
Because I know that's one of the brands that they sell.
For sure.
So next, Will, tell everybody about the first ever Matt's RV Reviews rally that everybody knows about in Tennessee. But then we're going to tell you guys about a second rally. And yes, we are planning our second rally before we've even done our first rally. Will, tell everybody about it.
Yeah, so the first rally is going to be small. So if you want a lot of time to hang out with us and everything, that's going to be the place to go. It's going to be just outside of Nashville, Four Corners RV Resort.
Yes.
Beautiful resort. We have tons of games and stuff. We're very close to finalizing the agenda. We don't have all those details worked out. Right now, it's early bird pricing since we don't have all those details worked out. $450 for one person and the campsite. $150 for each person after that.
Yep.
It's going to include pretty much a lot of the food.
It's all guys, that's expensive. A lot of people have been saying it's expensive. We're covering everything.
Yeah.
All the food, well, most of the food.
I think there's like 1 or 2 lunches just because everybody's out on their own. But yeah,
dinners
breakfast, snacks,
events,
desserts,
tournaments.
Maybe some t-shirts, special edition stickers.
No. 100% you're getting the t-shirts and the stickers. But we also got like a buoy that we're that we got
out on the lake and everything
for the day that we're paying for.
Yep.
We're paying for a karaoke DJ, guys. It's gonna be a lot of stuff, and that's an all-inclusive.
Yes.
What the heck's it called?
Like rally.
We're taking care of everything, or at least 90% of everything.
Yeah, we'll have the link down below to register. And you know, guys, again, this is the first rally. We found it isn't the best platform for signing up and paying, but just kind of bear with us through it. If you're adding multiple people, you have to do a second transaction. I know it really is annoying.
It really does suck.
But if you get stuck or anything, we'll put my email address down below as well.
Will, that's WIL@mattsrvreviews.com.
Yes.
But Will, that rally is going to be super special to us because it's our first rally
and
we
it's
only
limited
have 50 spots.
To keep it small so we can get on our feet.
Exactly, and we're learning. But we do have another rally to tell you guys about.
Yes.
And this is your first time hearing about it. And we're going to have another video dedicated just to this rally when it does warm up here.
Right.
But Will, where the heck are we right now?
We are at not the Cabana Club anymore.
Not anymore.
Camp Margaritaville. They just changed the name literally maybe a week ago.
Now, this is a rally for January of 2023.
Yes.
Will, why would we do that?
Because it's right before the Tampa RV Show.
It is the weekend before the Tampa RV Show. Checking in Thursday, checking out Sunday, correct?
Yeah, that sounds right. January 12th through 15th.
Yes. And so hopefully the Tampa RV Show is the 16th, 17th.
Well, no, that's Monday. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It would be the 18th.
We got to look this up, folks.
So...
yeah, Tampa RV Show is going to be the 18th through the 22nd. Yep. So that is the weekend before, and we'll tell everybody a little bit more about it.
Yeah, that's going to be a lot more fun and a lot more hands-off for us so that we can be out and interacting with you guys more. The Cabana Club has everything. We're not doing the Margaritaville, Camp Margaritaville.
Yes.
They're literally taking care of everything for us so that we can help prep you guys for the show. We can hang out at the bar, go to the dog park, cornhole, putt-putt.
Tournaments,
I mean, literally
putt-putts,
everything
pickleball.
You could imagine, they got it here.
And it's going to be cheaper,
correct,
than our rally. Because, again, we're taking money and we're profiting from the first rally to pay for the breakfast and the dinners and the everything, right? Where with Camp Margaritaville, they have everything here. So the only thing we're upcharging is $25, right? Are
Something
we doing
like that? Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very small.
It's $25 over the cost of camping.
It's a percentage, basically, but it comes out to about $25 per site.
Yeah, and we're doing that for the t-shirt guys.
Yeah.
But again, we're not doing the food or nothing like that. We're not doing the events because Camp Margaritaville is the event.
Right.
They have live music every night.
Yes.
They got the tiki bars, the fire pits. What we are doing, technically, we are making money off this because it's like 10% or whatever.
Yeah.
But what we're doing, we're kicking that all back into the activity. So there's going to be a cornhole tournament. We're going to give away $500 or $1,000 depending on how much the pot is. There's going to be a mini golf tournament. Again, we're going to be giving away money. They're going to have the pickleball courts. Anything, we don't want to make money. We want to...
it's all going right back.
Make it so it's an awesome
We're taking
event.
a little bit extra to put it back into the event, make it more fun.
Yep, exactly. And, you know, putt-putt fun, but if you can win $500, putt-putt is a lot
extra
more fun. Yes.
Yeah.
And again, there's going to be food trucks. We're not hosting dinners or breakfasts or anything.
We might do one.
We might do one.
Yeah.
But the first rally was a little stressful for us already.
Yep.
And it's only 50 spots. This rally for next year is 150 spots. And so we told
and
Cabana
they have
Club,
room to grow if we need it.
Right. And we told Cabana Club, listen, you guys handle everything.
And that's what they're good at.
And that's what they're good at. They do what they're good at, and we do what we're good at. So that's our second rally, January 12th through the 15th it was.
Yep, I'll double check those.
January 12th through the 15th. Oh.
Yes.
So sorry, guys. You guys probably hate watching us by now. The first rally, you have to contact Will. You're booking through Ticket Source.
Yes.
Down below. The second rally, all you have to do is call the Cabana Club. Tell them you want to be here for the Matt's RV Reviews rally.
Right.
They're handling everything. They're handling money, processing, everything.
Super easy on us.
We're great at RV reviews. We're not great at hosting rallies. And listen, if you sign up for the first rally, don't think that that's not going to be a great rally. That's actually probably going to be a better rally than the second rally.
Probably.
Because it's going to be more hands-on time, more one-on-one time. You know, more
activities,
fun with us.
I should say, yeah.
Whereas this is just going to be mayhem.
Like everybody hang out.
Yeah.
And, you know.
Yeah, and we're going to have other YouTubers here.
Yes, yes.
I was already talking to them, so it's just going to be a lot of fun.
For sure.
And then, Will.
Yeah.
Next week is the Jacksonville grand opening. Then we leave that and we're making our way over to Texas.
We are.
To film at some Explorer RV USA's. And where are we going to land? You said the Austin area?
Yes, it will be the Austin area.
Leave down
just outside of Austin is where I'm looking at.
Leave down in the comments below. Let us know if you want us to do a meetup in the Austin area.
That's not, don't even call that a rally. That's like
not a
literally,
rally. No.
We're camping. Join us if you want to. We'll be there, you know, and we'll stop by, say hi.
But it might not even be camping. It might be at a restaurant. We haven't even determined it yet. So leave down in the comments below. Let us know if you guys want us to do like a camp out.
Yep.
Or let us know if you guys want us to meet at a restaurant.
At a restaurant, yeah.
And if you guys have any restaurant recommendations, let us know. We'll put out a video after the grand opening. We'll literally put out a video on our way to Texas.
Yeah.
And we'll let everybody know the final updates.
Yes.
Or if there's a place that you think we should travel that's a little bit farther outside of Austin, maybe Houston or whatever. I don't even know the Texas towns. Let us know. We're so flexible for that.
Yep. Cool, that's it, guys. So we're excited. One of our big goals this year is just to get out and about with everybody in our community, you know, our family, with you guys. So we're working on that and trying to make it happen. So we're excited to see as many of you as possible.
Great, thank you guys so much. And again, if you live in the Jacksonville area, make sure you come to that grand opening. It's gonna be a blast. We're doing a live virtual show again, giving sale prices because you guys seem to love that, and we love what you guys love. So thank you guys for that. And again, you guys always know, the more you comment and interact, the more our bosses see the interaction from you guys.
That's right.
The more we're able to do what you guys like.
Yeah, exactly.
And you know, the sooner, the more we do that, the sooner we'll be able to have sale prices back in the video. Yeah. Because that's what we're shooting for as well.
Right.
We hate quoting MSRP. We want to quote sale prices. So the more positive interaction from you guys, the better.
That's right.
Anything else, Will?
No, I think that's it. We're super excited. Hopefully, again, Jacksonville this weekend. And then after that, you know, just keep an eye out. We'll keep updates going. So
great. Thanks so much. Make sure you sign up for both rallies now, and we'll see you guys next time.
See ya.